Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Simpson, who that teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I know you're ready. I know you're standing up. You got your tennis shoes on and you're ready to go. I'm getting ready to do the step-by-step instruction for Cleanup Woman. This is a special edited version, so if you want to get that version, make sure you email me at LMIUNOLA@gmail.com. So this is a beginner-friendly, beginner's advanced line dance. So let me give you the step-by-step instruction. If you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. Let's go. So we're gonna stand on this side here. This dance is a one-wall dance, okay? So you're gonna start with walking to the right and tapping out. Walking to the left, tap out, walk to the right, tap out, and walk to the left. So you walk. Let me turn the dance. Let me turn it this way. So stand on this side of the room. So we're gonna walk to the right, right, left, right, in, out, left, right, left, in, out, walk, right, left, out, in, out, walk, left, right, left, in, out. Okay? Real simple. So let me show you from this end here. Right, left, right. In, out, walk. Left, right, left. In, out, walk. Right, left, right. In, out, walk. Left, right, left. In, out. So that's basically what I'm doing, okay? So to add to that, you're going to go back. You're going to roll back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do that 4 times. So come back on that right. 1, 2, left 3, 4, right 5, 6, left 7, and 8. Okay? So let's put that together with the walk. 5, 6, 7. Walk right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Step 5, 6, 7, and 8. Step 1, 2, 3, and 4. Walk 5, 6, 7, and 8. Back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, real simple. Now we're going to start with a rock recover on the right and the left with a triple. Rock, recover, triple step, rock, recover, triple step. Real simple. Okay, from there we're going to add on. We're going to kick, tap out, and we're going to move it forward. Okay, kick, tap out, kick, tap out, kick, tap out, kick, tap out. So it's a kickball change, okay? Kickball change, move it forward. Kickball change, kickball change, kickball change, okay? So let's go back to the top and a review. We're walking to the right, left, with that tap in, out. We roll back to 4, right. Roll back left, roll back right, roll back left. We do a rock recover with a triple step, a rock recover with a triple step, and the 4 kickball change, moving the dance up. Kick and tap, kick and tap. That's nothing but a kickball change, and we do that 4 times. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, walk to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Step 5, 6, 7, and 8. Walk 1, 2, 3, and 4. Step 5, 6, 7. Take it back. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tap 8. Rock recover. 1, 2, triple 3, and 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, and 8. Kick, tap out. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. When I do that, my right heel is up. So we're going to do a cross step with a triple step. Cross step, triple step, cross step, triple step. And we're going to only do that 2 times. And as we do that, we're moving back. Right, left, right, cross, left, right, left. And that's what's going to move us back. And we do a hip roll. 2 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you know what? I don't think that goes there right there. So we last thing I did was right, left, triple step, left, right, triple step. So we're gonna put this step here. This is the only step we're gonna do that's gonna turn the wall. So before we do that roll step, we roll our hips, we're gonna add this step. And this is after you cross. Right, left, triple step, left, right, triple step. Right and out, step back, right in, out, left, right. Okay, and you make a half turn with your right shoulder coming forward. So you go back, 1 and 2. Right back, 1 and 2. Heel is up, that left is up. My right shoulder come forward. I'm gonna make a half turn. Step 3, 4. Okay, again, rock recover. 1 and 2, you're gonna rock back. 1 and 2, step 3, 4. Okay, then we rock back on that left. 5 and 6 and 7, tap, tap. So, we're gonna do a couple of things. We're gonna go back, in, out, tap, and cross. Tap, tap. Okay, so we go back. 1 and 2, and I'm gonna right back, 1 and out, tap and cross, tap, tap. That's what you're gonna do. Right back, 1 and out, tap and cross, tap, tap. Right back, back in, out, and cross, tap, tap. So this is how the count is. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Back, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2, ball cross, tap, tap. That's it. Take it back. 1 and 2, ball change, tap, tap. So, rock back, in or out, ball change on the right. Ball change. And when you do the ball change, just go back. The right leg go back, the left goes forward. And cross, tap, tap. Step, sailor, step, sailor, rock for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Then you're going to repeat that step again. Let's do it from here. We rock back. Remember, we're going forward with the half turn. Step back, 1 and 2, step 3, turn 4. Left back, 5 and 6, ball change, tap, tap. Step, sailor, step, sailor, rock for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. That's it. Okay, so let's go over that step again, because the rest of the part of the dance is pretty much self-explanatory. You can pick up on the floor, it's pretty simple. This here is a little cue step, I really like it. You rock back, 1 and 2. So that left leg is doing everything. Step back, 1 and 2. And you're gonna do a step on the left again to start making that turn with your right shoulder. Half turn, 3, 4. On 4, you should be at that half turn with your right shoulder come back. Then the left come back, 5 and 6. Ball change with a cross. Ball change, tap, tap, which is right, left. Then you do a step sailor on the right, step sailor on the left, and rock for 4. Step, sailor, step, sailor, rock. Right, left, right, left. Start again, rock back on the right. On the right, 1 and 2, step 3, 4, back left, 5 and 6, ball change, tap, tap. Step, sailor, step, sailor, rock. Right, left, right, left. Then you do that roll to the right, you do that roll to the left, you do that roll to the right, you do that roll to the left. That's That's the first rotation, okay? So let's put it all together. This is the part you're going to do on the first rotation. Then we go back, we'll go into the second rotation. Second rotation is going to be a little different because of the song. And then the third rotation, I'll go over that. So first rotation, 5, 6, walk into the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Walk 1, 2, 3, and 4. Walk 5, 6, 7, and 8. Back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock 1, 2, triple 3, and 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, and 8. Kick 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Cross 1, 2, back 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Is 1 and 2, turn 3, 4, back 5, and 6, cross 7, and 8. Step 1, 2, and 3, 4, rock 5, 6, 7, 8, back 1 and 2, half 3, 4, back 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Step 1, 2, and 3, 4, rock 5, 6, 7, 8, roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, rotation 2, walk to the right, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, walk 1, 2, 3, and 4, walk 5, 6, 7, and 8, back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, walk 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, take it back, is 1 and 2, turn 3, 4, back 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, step 1, 2, and 3, 4, rock 5, 6, 7, 8, back 1 and 2, turn 3, 4, back 5, and 6, cross 7, and 8 is 1, 2, and 3, 4, rock 5, 6, rotation 3, walk right, 1, 2, 3, and 4, walk 5, 6, 7, and 8, walk 1, 2, 3, and 4, walk 5, 6, 7, take it back is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, rock 1, 2, triple 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and kick out 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, moving it up, cross 1, 2, move it back, 5, 6, 7, and 8, roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, kick and cross, kick and cross, stomp, tap, tap, kick and cross, stomp, tap, tap, wait, kick and cross, stomp, tap, tap, that's it. So the inner part of the part on third rotation, after you roll 4 times, kick and cross, stomp, tap, tap, kick and cross, stomp, tap, tap. That's the end of the dance. That's the clean up woman. So instructors, pretty much everything is kind of self-explanatory. You probably have to teach this part right here. Rock back, in, out, step, step, back, in, step back, in, out, and cross, tap, tap. Step, that's the part you have to, because there's a tempo change there. So that is the clean up woman. Leave me a comment, guys. Let me know what you think. I always love to hear from y'all guys. It's motivation for me, and it also encourages me. I appreciate you. Thank you for watching this video. I'll pin the video, the demo, so we can dance together. So there's 3 rotations. Each rotation is different. So make sure you watch the demo. Also go to Lisa Loves Cinnamon, watch her demo, and also watch her instructional. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.